Hao! Welcome to Inchin Closer series where you will discover China's fascinating culture. In the next few videos, we will explore festivals in China, navigating Chinese public transport, shopping and bargaining cultural tips and tricks, mastering Chinese business etiquette, cultural sensitivities, the do's and don'ts. In our previous video, we discovered the vibrant world of Chinese festivals. Today we'll master navigating China's public transport. Whether you're in Beijing, Shanghai or anywhere in between, this video will ensure that you travel with ease. Let's start underground with the
地铁
The subway
地铁
literally means underground train, as
地
stands for earth or ground and
铁
stands for train. The subway is often the most convenient, cost-effective and time-saving way to get around the city. This local subway is also well-connected, clean, air-conditioned and simple to use. Each Chinese city has an elaborate network of subway lines which crisscross the city. Each line is differentiated by colors and numbers, making them easy to navigate even for someone who does not speak Mandarin. Don't forget to check out subway maps online beforehand to plan your route efficiently. For a one-time subway ticket, purchase it from the counter or kiosk at the subway station. Just punch in your destination and it will show you the price of the ticket. Enter the money and collect your ticket. If you're staying in any city for longer and require a transport card, these can also be acquired from subway counters or kiosks. Once you purchase a transport card, top it up with some money. 100 yuan should be sufficient for about 3 days. Transport cards are advantageous because they can be used across various modes of transport, buses, subways, and taxis in a particular city. Remember, transport cards are unique to each city and therefore should be purchased only if you will be using local transport in a particular city frequently. From now on, you will notice that all forms of transportation have the word
车
in them.
车
Means vehicle, so it's only logical. Next up, we have trains or
火车
in Mandarin, which literally means fire vehicle,
火
for fire and
车
for vehicle, referring to the fact that earlier trains were powered by burning coal. China's rail network is extensive with high speed
高铁
and regular
普通列车
options. Tickets are available at stations or through online sites like 12306.cn. The trains in China have some similarities and differences compared to the city trains in India. Like in India, trains get extremely crowded during rush hours. But you will observe that in China, people are always polite and form queues before the train arrives in a disciplined manner. So it's important to show the same courtesy and not jump in line. When the train does arrive, keep in mind that the train doors shut in China. So make sure that you squeeze your way through comfortably in. You can also use the bus in China, known as
公共汽车
another name for buses is
巴士
buses are a common and affordable mode of transport in China. If you have a transport card, just tap it as you enter. Else keep some change handy to give the bus driver as you enter. There are no bus conductors in China. You are just trusted to pay appropriately. To reach somewhere quickly, taxis are your go-to. They are called
出租车
or more simply,
打的
Ta means to hit or beat, the action similar to hailing a taxi on the road, and Ti means taxi. Just wave one down and show your destination written down in Mandarin characters to avoid any chance of confusion with tones. Payment is easy through cash or apps like WeChat or Alipay. For a more seamless journey, you can try using DiDi, a mobile app similar to Uber. It allows you to input your destination directly in the app and communicate without language barriers. If you're feeling adventurous,
自行车
bicycles are super popular in China. You can rent one using QR code payments at bike stations around the city. It's perfect for short scenic rides and also gets you to exercise. When using public transport, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Having a map of the public transport system is a must to help you find your way. Baidu Maps, similar to Google Maps, is a mobile app that shows routes and the quickest ways of getting around. Use rechargeable transport cards, which are available in several cities. They work across taxis, subways, and buses. These can be purchased at any subway station and topped up easily. Avoid the rush hours, typically 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. if possible, as public transport will be congested. Be polite, disciplined, and mindful of others around you. Observe the locals first and then hop into a taxi, train, or subway. Following local etiquette is integral to being a good visitor. It's easy to get around China, especially when you know the right words. Let's learn some essential Chinese phrases as you navigate public transport. Choose among the different modes of transport.
地铁、
Subway,
火车、
train,
公共汽车 or 巴士、
bus,
出租车 or 打的、
taxi,
自行车。
bicycles. Purchase a ticket by saying,
我要买一张票。
which means I want to buy a ticket. To tell them your intended destination, say,
我要去。
which means I want to go to. Armed with these phrases and tips, you're ready to explore China's beautiful cities using public transport like a local. Happy travels! That's all for today. Thank you for watching. 再见!